Hey guys, Leon here, and today I'm going to unbox the new Dell 17-inch laptop. This model is the 17-inch 4K display with the NVIDIA 2060 RTX card in there. Basically, it's the highest spec model of it. So yeah, let's just see how it looks. Let's just get straight into it. Did you guys hear that? Of course you did. You know why? The speakers failed right out of the box. So yeah, that was really interesting. Yeah, quality control is, I heard rumors about it, but it's really true. There is some quality control issues on it. So like the same day I had to get an exchange of that unit. So yeah, so the speakers didn't work right out of the box. After a few hours, I kept getting that sound icon that keeps coming up, and then it just completely failed. It would just come in and out at sometimes. So yeah, that happened. I mean, with that being said, I was able to get a new unit the same day from Micro Center actually. So, and with a warranty. Don't forget the warranty. Always get a warranty with your with your laptops, please. Just do it. Yeah, so it's running pretty fine. I'm gonna give a pretty in-depth review of it. I mean, it's running. I'm running Octane Render right now. It's running pretty well for like being off the battery. You know, I'm kind of really quiet. Like, do you hear that? I mean, I have my computer in the back, but it's like the fan isn't even on. So yeah, I'm pretty psyched. You know, it's a way different from the MacBook 16-inch that I had. That one, it was just going off like a helicopter. But this has been pretty fluid. I had it for about a week now, so it's been pretty fluid. I'm trying to break it in a little bit more to see like if any odd things happen before the return period. So, but yeah, I think this might be a keeper. But I'm going to give a full review of this like in a week or two. There you go. Here's the fans. Cool, but it's pretty rad. Look at this display, man. It's like, oh, another thing I wanted to mention. Look, one more thing. Check this out. So here is a 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro. And this is the Dell 17 2020. Check out the size comparison. Like, it really is a 17-inch and a 15-inch chassis. It's just a little bit longer, like about an inch. But look at that. It's crazy, right? Well, see you guys later in about a week or two, probably 2 weeks. So I want to do something really cool for this laptop. Like, I really want to push it to the limit. So yeah, watch out for that review. I'll see you guys next time.